Hi guys, today I want to unboxing this Yamaha motorcycle disc brake lock from brand Yamaha. Okay, authentic Yamaha. Okay, so let's do around this box first. Okay, can see Yamaha. So you got a few functions here. First, 10mm lock, high sensitivity key included, the reminder cable, press lock, and then soil resistant. So this means they want to store. There is, I think is we so call it is difficult to store it because soil resistant. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, the lock here. Okay, and then you reminder cable. Okay, and this lock, we call it this lock size. You see this lock size? This is this lock size. Okay, you see this lock size. Okay, this lock size. So this lock feature made from tough alloy. Okay, 10mm lock pin, high secure locking mechanism, and the last one is one push locking filter. So this is the authentic okay, Hong Leong Yamaha motor center number. Okay, authentic. This is authentic one. Authentic Yamaha. Authentic. Okay, so now already this look around the box. I think then now I'm gonna unbox it, open it inside. Okay, so this is the seal type. You see the seal type. See it here. So I think I'm gonna cut here. Okay. I think no lah. I think okay lah. I think cut here more easy lah. Okay. Try to cut an L shape lah. Make it easy lah for me to get the lock. Okay. So okay, see. So one more. Okay, see? So this, take it out first. Then this is the rope. Then this is the cable, reminder cable. Okay, reminder cable. See this? This is reminder cable. And this is the lock. Oh, quite heavy. This is reminder lock. Okay. This is lock. Now this is reminder cable. This is lock. You see this one? Lock. Authentic Yamaha. Okay. And then this is the key. Two key one spare lah. One I use one spare. Okay. Okay. So now the rope. And now I want to test first this one. Okay, see, Okay, take it out. Yes. Lock it. I'll try one more. Okay, take it out. Like this. This way, spare one. Take it out. One out. Okay. Okay. So, I think that's all for me, guys. This one rock. We try first. Oh, yeah, the rock. You see, heavy duty rock. Heavy duty rock. Okay. Push down. Oh, I forget. I got one function on it again. Hammer resistance. This one. Hammer resistance too. Hammer resistance. So hammer resistance can resistant hammer and saw. So this is authentic Yamaha. This Yamaha this lock lah. Okay. I think nothing else. I think we try this. Put inside first. Okay. Put inside this. So this is reminding lah, so we know our motorcycle have lock lah. This is good lah for this ah. So okay, so I think it's good for me to put both inside. Then lock it. Test, lock. Okay, one more, another one. Test, lock. Okay, good. Quite heavy ah. Okay. Okay guys, that's it for the video lah. I think that's all for my review for this Yamaha this lock. Okay, so I already mentioned about those benefit of this lock, so it's in my video lah. Thank you for watching ya. Please like, subscribe my YouTube channel ya. Okay, thank you guys. See you. Bye.